Have you ever wondered how astronauts grow plants in space? Well, it's not as simple as sticking a seed in some soil. In microgravity, water doesn't flow down to the roots like on Earth. So, how do they manage to grow fresh food in the harsh environment of space? Scientists have developed special systems like the veggie experiment on the International Space Station. This system uses LED lights to mimic sunlight and special pillows to hold the plants in place. Water and nutrients are delivered through a special watering system. But it's not just about growing food. Plants also help recycle the air, producing oxygen for the astronauts to breathe. This technology could be crucial for long-term space missions, like a trip to Mars. So, next time you enjoy a salad, remember that astronauts are also growing greens in space. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating updates on space exploration.